Hello children, welcome to the English class. Today we will see Unit 7, The Boy and the Catapult. So children, do you all remember what happened in previous class? So in this lesson, Boy and the Catapult, Bodhraj, who is an excellent shooter, he came to his friend's house with his catapult. There he straightly entered into the godown. As usual, he had his catapult. There he noticed the little ones of Minas in the nest. And as he raised his catapult, suddenly a big kite entered the room. And as he was observing the kite daily, he came to know that the kite has been coming there daily for its meal. So the little ones of Minas is the meal of that kite. So Bodhraj raised his catapult and aimed the kite. But as he shooted the kite, it missed and it hit the ceiling instead. The kite was angry. It spread its wings and tried to reach him. Then his friend was very frightened and he wanted to go out because he was afraid that the kite will attack him. But Bodhraj was not afraid of it. He instead said, the kite will eat up the little ones, so I have to save them. So he climbed up the table and he gently lifted the nest of that Minas little ones and slowly stepped down. What happened then? We will read now. Here. Let's get out of here, he said, and ran towards the door. I followed. So, Bodhraj, he took the nest of that Minas little ones and he ran towards the door. I also followed him. We went into the garage. It had only one door and a small window in the back wall. A beam ran across its width. So, we both went into the garage with that nest. It had only one door. The garage had only one door and a small window in the back wall. A beam ran across the width. Across the width of the room, there is a beam. He climbed on the box and placed the nest on the beam. So, he safely kept the nest on the beam. The Minas young ones had quietened down. Before, the Minas young ones were very frightened and they were fluttering their wings and they were shrieking, means they were shouting with fear. But now, since he kept the young ones on the beam, they felt very safe and so they were quietened and calm అయిపోయాయన్నమాట. Standing on the box, Bodhraj peeped into the nest. A box మీద నిల్చొని Bodhraj peeped అంటే looked into the nest. I thought that he would pick them up, but he said, get some water, the chicks are thirsty. So I always had a very bad impression on Bodhraj. So I thought he will pick the little ones, but he did not do that. He asked me to get some water since the chicks are thirsty, shouting. Thirsty and daham estundi. So let's give some water, he said. I brought a glass of water. Bodhraj fed them with drops of water. So I brought glass of water and Bodhraj feeded the birds with the water. When Bodhraj came the next day, he had neither the catapult nor pebbles. So next day, when Bodhraj came, he did not bring the catapult and the pebbles because he doesn't want to shoot any birds now. He carried some seeds with him. Instead, what did he bring? He brought some seeds. We fed the Minas young ones and spent time watching them. So, we feeded the birds with grains and water and then we spent watching the birds. So, they are, see, you can see in the picture, they are looking at the watching the birds. So you also should. So as we thought, Bodhraj is not that bad. So he is looking after the birds. So this summer we also have to save the birds. We have to feed the birds with water and seeds. Okay. So that is the lesson. Now let's do the exercises in the textbook. In the vocabulary, first exercise is over. The second one is we have a concept mapping here. So we have to write, you have to write the birds I know. Means what are the birds you know, you have to write. One is given myna. The second one is parrot, parrot. And crow, crow. sparrow, sparrow. eagle, eagle. owl, owl. pigeon, pigeon. And the next one is kite, kite. So these are some of the names of the birds I wrote. The remaining you write in your notebook. Okay. So this is the one of the exercise. The next one is grammar adverbs. Do you know what is meant by an adverb? An adverb is a word which describes the verb, adjective or another adverb. Examples are write quickly, run fast, kicked very hard. In this, quickly, fast, very hard are the adverbs. So the verb is described by an adverb. So let's see the exercise. Let's run slowly. Let's run quickly. Let's have fun. Let's stamp hard. Let's drink fast. Let's have fun. Let's go low. Let's climb high. Let's have fun. Let's write neatly. Let's write nicely. Let's have fun. Let's speak softly. Let's talk sweetly. Let's have fun. So in the song, the verbs are run, stamp, drink, go, climb, write, speak and talk. These are all the verbs. And the words which describe these verbs are, the adverbs are slowly, quickly, hard, fast, low, high, neatly, nicely, softly, sweetly. These are all the adverbs you have to write in the lines given below. Okay. Slowly, quickly, hard, fast, low, high, neatly, nicely, softly and sweetly. In this exercise you have two signboards. So what is there in this signboard? What is there in the first signboard? Don't even think of parking here. So that is what which is written in the first signboard. That means we should not park there. What is the message in the second signboard? Danger. Only those who love to die should risk going near. The second signboard tells that if you want to die, you go near there. What does the picture suggest in the second signboard? In the second signboard, the picture suggests that there are tigers there. There is a or is a tiger. So you should not go near there. Which words are highlighted in the signboards and why? So what is the word which is highlighted in first signboard? Think. And in the second signboard, danger is highlighted. Think means if we want to park our vehicle there, we have to think the consequences and then only dare to park your vehicle. So that is given. And for the second picture, danger is given. That means it is very dangerous to go there as there is tiger. So it is warning the people that there is a tiger. So like this, you have to prepare a signboard to avoid hunting of birds. So the Bodhraj and in Bhishma's house, Bodhraj kept this signboard to avoid hunting of birds. So you prepare the signboard. Like this, you prepare the signboard. This is an example. You can give more effects also. Okay? With this, the lesson ends.